Good morning. What better way to start your day? Oops. Sorry, Buffy. Done with coffee and cats. I just woke up. This shirt was probably my favorite Christmas present. And I got a couple really good ones, but this is my favorite present of them all because this is my Socrates. His name was spelled Socrates, but I called him Socrates. Catwoman reference from 2004 Halle Berry's Catwoman, where she is portraying a felonious assassin. Obviously, I had to respect that. So, yeah, my kitten. He passed away, unfortunately, this past August. He had, I think it was jaw cancer. It's a very not good disease for cats. They don't have like a high success rate. He was 14, almost 15. And to this day, I absolutely miss him. Although, I have a sneaky theory that he reincarnated into Sabela, my queen. He went from king to queen. Obviously, I don't know that for sure, but it is a fool who speaks as if they know when they don't. So you can't prove it, but you can't disprove it. So either way, remain open-minded. Speaking of open-minded, let me see this. See that? Pisces. Shout out to my Pisces. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio. I'm a Pisces, but hey. That Melozio Boost pod, man. Extra caffeine. I highly recommend this pod. If you didn't just see my shorts of me pouring the cream into it, I highly recommend you try that pod.